Hello, my name is Olga Kuznetsova-Stewart and I am Soul Illumination Alchemist. And today I invite you to join me for the Spring Equinox Stellar Celebration that's gonna happen on March 20th at 10 a.m. So if you're someone that feel very excited and maybe a little bit anxious about all the changes that are very fast happening around us and in our lives too, and you feel like you want to embody those changes and really bring them into your life and into yourself, and maybe at the same time you feel a little bit stuck in your old everyday routine. So on this day we're gonna do guided meditation and the energy process that I'm very excited about, that will help us to get unstuck and make this huge leap into the new level of ourselves and into the our own new possibilities. We're gonna open the golden gates that will allow us to bring our own light more fully into the earth, more fully into our lives, and become a contribution to this natural process, to this natural flow of light, blessed light that is gonna just flood the planet that day. So if you want to experience that and be contribution to this natural process, please join me on March 20th at 10 a.m. So I'm excited to connect with you soon, and bye.